Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Brookmont, local and long-distance movers near me. Whether you're a homeowner, student, or military service person, we extend our services to everyone who has to relocate to a new place. So if you're thinking of moving with all your stuff to a new location without any hassle, if you're on the right page, 3 men and a truck provide licensed insurance transportation of your stuff. Our professionals in Brookmont are trained in packing your material with utmost care. Got your dream job but still have to move with all your stuff to a new location? Worry not. We can help you with your local moving at reasonable prices. Yeah, it might seem an uneasy task to carry off your local move by yourself, but it's not. Professional movers will make it easier for you because you can do all the other work like documentation and setting up your new home. Our team will also come to your house and pack your stuff with safety. In addition, we provide insurance for local moving and transportation also. You can also save time and effort by calling our team of professional packers and movers. Also, it's up to you to select if you want to move with 1, 2, or more trucks. Your material will be safely transported and unpacked as per the contract. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brookmont moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.